Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete posts on TikTok. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application on your mobile device, here it is, and then at the bottom right you need to click on profile button, right up here, then you need to make sure you logged in your account, and then you will see all your uploaded videos. Then you need to click on the video you want to delete, for example this one. After that, in this interface on the right side at the bottom right corner you need to click on the three dots button. Then this window will appear, then you need to scroll down this list of options to the left, like this, and the last option is delete. You need to click on that one button, and then you will see this window. You can delete and re-edit this video, or you can delete this video. So if you delete this video, you will be able to restore this in 30 days. So click on the last option, for example, delete. And then as you can see, this video will be deleted. And that's all, and that's how to delete posts on TikTok. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.